Hello everyone, today we'll be making a very simple but tasty and delicious dish, which is long beans with tofu and dried shrimp stir fry. It is an extremely easy and all it needs are basic ingredients that you can find in the kitchen. First of all, you'll need to soak your dried shrimps for around 10 minutes. Try not to soak them for too long as it will be too soft and it will break easily. Prepare your long beans by cutting them into bite-length slices. For this dish, we have picked a firm tofu. It is easy to cut without breaking. Cut your tofu into cube sizes of around 2 by 2 by 2. Now comes the fun part, the stir-frying part. Heat up your pan and a layer of oil. You will need oil about 3 ml deep at the base of the pan so you can shallow fry the tofu. A flat base pan is most suitable for this. However, if you don't have a flat base pan, you can always use a wok, but try frying it using less tofu and do it slowly. Add in the bean curd slowly, allowing it to fry at the bottom surface. The tofu used here is the firm type. Do not use soft tofu as it will break easily during the frying process. Flip the tofu cubes around after 2 minutes to avoid the tofu from breaking. As the tofu starts to crisp up, fry the garlic as well as the soaked dried shrimps in the center of the pan. Give it a good stir and remember not to break the bean curd. We will also be adding 2 teaspoons of turmeric powder to give it a unique taste. Season it with salt and a dash of light soy sauce and we're almost there. Close the lid of the pan for around 2 minutes and make sure that the beans are fully cooked and it is ready to be served. Thank you for watching the video. Hope you enjoyed the recipe. Happy cooking and bon appetit!